guys, today we're making simple, easy, savoury black seed biscuits. So let's get started with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, add salt to taste. Half a tablespoon of black seed. Milk required. Now we're going to pour in our flour. And now we're going to put in our black seeds. Black seeds are very good for health. And this is an easier way to consume them. We're just mixing that in with the flour. And now we're going to add in our butter. And then just mix that in. Now we're going to pour in our milk, just bit by bit, until you get a nice black seed biscuit dough. Now, once you've got your cookie dough or your biscuit dough, you're going to roll it out. Sprinkle some little flour on your board so it doesn't stick and roll it out with your rolling pin to 1/2 inch thickness. Now we're just going to poke some holes just so it makes the biscuit a little bit more crunchier and for a little extra design. Now we're going to cut into straight strips. You can cut out any shapes you want, or you could use a cookie cutter. We're just going to cut horizontal and then vertical. We're just taking away the ends and keeping the perfect shapes in the middle. We're just going to re-roll that after. Make sure you preheated your oven 20 minutes before. Now we're just going to use like a flat spoon of some sort and lift our biscuits so they don't break and place on a tray lined with tin foil. Now you're going to put it in the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Now once they have baked, we're going to put it on a cooling rack to cool down. So here we have our simple and easy savoury black seed biscuits. It's very delicious for a snack. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.